Okay, the video, or not video, the website that I want to kind of check out today on this last one is Online-stopwatch.com. I've used this one in my class before, just kind of to set up times so that way kids know, all right, hey, you know what? You've got, 5 minutes to do this particular assignment. And I'd set that up. It's got a fun little, timer here, and it just kind of shows, and then you click on it, and then it'll go and just keep on going. So that way, students have a pretty good idea of how much time's remaining. All of that. I probably should have put less time on that. So let's go back on that and clear it. So let's make it 30 seconds. You've got 30 seconds to group up, and then that'll kind of fill up, and now you can see that they've got a good idea of the hourglass going off. Exactly when everything's gonna be done. Super basic, but one that I really like, and I think you can actually full screen it and super full screen it, make it so it's not ridiculous looking. Works out great. Boom, there it is. It's done and kind of ready to go. So hopefully that showed up on there. You do have other options with it. You can choose different timers, different ththings like that. Here's the classroom section. So now you've got the countdown clock. When you got to watch this stuff up here, because these are nothing but ads trying to clickbait you to make you go to the others. So now I have this one, and if I did the exact same thing, except 20 seconds this particular time, start it, and it kind of shows them how much time. Now, if you've got an hour on this thing, okay, perfect. It'll just kind of slow it down, but very useful, but extremely basic, easy to use, and I would definitely recommend it to you all. Ding, ding, ding.